Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your login password on the KuCoin app. If you want to update the password you use to access your account, here's how to do it. First, open the app and tap the icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Security. Under the Security section, tap on Login Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password and then enter your new password. If you don't remember your current password, you'll need to reset it. To do that, start by logging out of your account. Go back to the main menu, tap on Settings, scroll to the bottom, and select Logout. Once logged out, tap on Login at the top of the screen. Enter your email or phone number, then tap Forgot Password. Click Next and tap Send to receive a verification code via email. Solve the CAPTCHA if prompted, then enter the code you received, like this one, 391817. After verifying, you'll be able to set a new password. I won't show mine here, but simply enter your new password and tap Submit. Your password will then be successfully updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.